for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power liftgate, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, climate control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.